Hello, this is Kent from Easy Test Pool Supplies on another episode of Diving In with Kent. And with me again is Tim McDonough from Radiant. Tim, thank you so much for being here.
Hi, Kent. Great to be here. Thank you very much.
Great to have you. Thank you. Another one of the cool things on the above grounds, especially for customers that have abutting decks to them, are the step options for a Radiant.
Oh, yes, absolutely. So, again, for that above ground pool, traditionally you have a drop-in step that goes in over the wall or an A-frame type ladder, which are perfectly acceptable products for access in and out of your pool. But with the Radiant pool, you have access to what we call, it's our internal Geofoam step. And what that does is it gives the customer on the inside of the pool an in-ground step. It's a wedding cake step that is approximately 4 foot into the pool, 8 foot in width. And that gives the customer the ability to have, we jokingly call it the living room in the pool. Because so it's the place for the grandparents and the moms and the dads and the kids and everybody to get in the pool, and it's a place to rest, still be submerged, and enjoy the beautiful water of your pool.
That's great. So an entry system that doesn't have to come out over the winter, that the whole family can rest on, and that really completes that in-ground look on an above-ground pool.
Correct.
That's great, Tim. Well, Tim, I and Easy Test Pools truly appreciate you taking the time to come talk with us. And here's to a great 2023 swimming season.
Yep. Thank you very much, Kent. Thank you for having me in again.
Thank you, Tim.
Have a great day.
You too.
Thanks.
So this has been another episode of Diving In with Kent. Join us next time. Thank you for watching.